keep going. I love this story. In 1923, Huge Comstock had a hit series of Otsy Totsy dolls that were in great demand nationwide. She was inundated with dolls at her home, so she asked her husband, Hugh, to build a house for the dolls. He wound up building 11 of these unique elf-like houses. We're going to go see them. Please pull over on the corner for a moment. On your left are 3 of Hugh Comstock's houses built between 1924 and 1928. The dollhouse is on the corner. Fables and the birthday house are next to it on the same side. Hugh set the motif for Carmel architecture because you'll see many copies of his idea all throughout the town. I'll take you ahead and return you to Ocean in a few blocks, but you can come back for a walking tour to take more time. You'll notice the dollhouses on both sides of the street as you drive. People actually live in them today.